Hi guys, super excited about this product. This is the Hbada Ergonomic office chair. Let's open this thing up and check it out. So this chair does come unassembled, but you can add on an option to have them come out and assemble it for you. But I'll go through the assembly here real quick and we'll see how difficult it is. And you can decide for yourself if that's something you want to do. So, all right, we got an armrest. Another armrest here. This looks like the headrest, which is, instead of like a foam cushion, it's like a mesh with some tension on it, which is actually feels really nice. I'll have to sit in it and see how that feels once we're got this thing assembled. Alright, here's the hardware kit. So comes with the Allen wrench, so that is nice. You don't have to worry about that tool. And all the screws. We'll wait till we start assembling this and then we'll open that up. Alright, so this is the backrest. Another screw cover plate here. Set this one aside. And the seat. So all of it has this like mesh that you will rest against, but the seat has like a memory foam. So that seems real nice and comfortable. Let's see, what are we missing? The base yet. Okay, yeah, these are the legs for the base. So the legs are metal. A lot of these are plastic. It has a nice chrome finish on it here. Alright, this is like the centerpiece for the bottom of the leg. I'm guessing each one of these is going to slip on just like that. Yep, alright. Alright. Let's open up these screws and parts and start putting this thing together. Check the time here. See how long this takes. Starting the stopwatch right now. I'll fast forward this part because it's kind of boring. Alright, there it is. Fully assembled. Took 19 minutes, 59 seconds. So 20 minutes. Probably would have gone a little faster, but I was looking for a part that wasn't missing. The part, couple things about the installation here. So the headrest. The part that bolts to the back of the seat is actually connected when it ships. And you just bolt that part right on here. And then that just slides up and down, real easy to adjust for your headrest here. We'll test this out in a minute. The feet, when you go to put the feet in, they're just a snap ring. There's no bolt or anything, so you got to put a lot of pressure and maybe wiggle them a little bit, and then they just snap right in. There's also a couple different adjustments you can make when you're building it based on the size you want the chair to be. This back part here, it has a cover on now, but there's two different sets of screw holes, so you can have it set a little higher if you're a taller person or a little lower if you're shorter, like me. The cylinder for the middle isn't bolted in either. That's just a press together. So when you sit on it, that's going to like press it in and kind of lock it in place. And then also don't forget, putting this together, there's a black cover piece right here. So after you bolt, this comes off, you bolt the legs on, and then you'll have to snap that back on before you put this cylinder back in. So, all right, let's take this over to the office and try it out. All right, so you can see my old chair here, my pillow, and my book. Getting rid of those, don't need those anymore. All right, let's test this thing out. I will say that install went very easily. Oh, wow. That thing really leans back nice. So there's a lever here. You can lock it at any point where you want it to stay. Or you can leave it so it just lets you lean back as you want. But you can lock it upright. And then there's a lumbar support built in behind the mesh here. It's actually super comfortable. Headrest, raise that up a little. Oh yeah. Boy, I can work in this and then take a nap. Alright, let's raise this thing up. Alright. The armrests are actually not padded. They're actually very comfortable though. But yeah, the whole installation here was with an Allen wrench and then a screwdriver for 2 screws to put this cover on the back. But other than that, like, it went really easily. The directions are actually really good. Everything's labeled left, right. Oh, the other thing you can adjust when you're assembling it is these armrests. They're slotted, so you can actually slide them out wider if you want them out farther, or in closer if you like them in closer. So this is the full upright position, and this is down the whole way. So, all right. You know, real nice chair, very comfortable. Thanks for watching.